Hello there, welcome to this tutorial. The topic is statistics and grouped data. So we shall be calculating mean, median, mode and range of ungrouped data. Taking our first problem, calculate the mean, median, mode and range of this following set of numbers. So the numbers are 3, 5, 3, 7, 2, 5 and 3. So we start with the mean. So starting from the mean, we shall add all the set of numbers and divide by the number of items we have there. So we have 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 and plus 3. So we divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 numbers there. So we are dividing by 7. Finding the sum of these numbers, we have 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 5, 25 plus 3, 28. So we have 28 over 7. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. We take on the median. So for the median, we shall arrange the number in ascending order or descending order. So preferably we go for the ascending order. So we start from the smallest to the largest number. So the smallest number here is 2. So we have 2, 3, and there are 3 3s there. So we have 3, 3. Then the next number is 5. There are 2 5s there. So we have 5, 5, and finally we have 7. So we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have our 7 items. Median means the middle number. So to get the middle number here, since the number of items here is odd, so we are going to have one item at the center. So we count 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be at the center. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So at this center we have 3 numbers to the right and 3 numbers to the left. So therefore the median is 3. So we have our 3 as median. So we go for the mode. To get the mode, we look at the set of numbers. Which of the numbers is appearing the highest number of time? We have 2 appearing once, we have 3 appearing thrice, 5 appearing twice, and 7 appearing once. So 3 is appearing the highest number of times. So we have the mode to be 3. And finally we get the range of the set of numbers. To get the range is the highest number minus the lowest number. So the difference between the highest and the lowest number, so that's going to give us 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 gives 5. So the range of the set of numbers is 5. That is the end of the first problem. So we take on the second problem. The scores of students in a math test are 5, 9, 4, 7, 8, 6, 3, 5, 5, and 6. A. Calculate the mean and range of the scores. B. Find the median score and the modal score. So we start with the first problem, the mean. So the mean, we still calculate, add up the numbers, divide by the number. So we have 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 and plus 6. Divide by how many numbers do we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 numbers. So we divide by 10. Then we now add up 5 plus 9 gives 14. 14 plus 4 gives 18 plus 7, 25 plus 8, 33 plus 6, 39, 42, 47, 52, and 58. So we have the sum to be 58 over 10. So 58 divided by 10 is 5.8. 58 divided by 10 is 5.8. So we go for the range. The range again, as usual, we have the highest score to be 9 minus the lowest score. The lowest score here is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the range of the scores is 6. So we go for the second part of the problem, the median score. To get the median score, we shall again arrange the numbers or the scores in ascending order of magnitude. So the smallest number is 3. So we start from 3, and there's only one 3 there. The next number is 4, only one 4. We have the next number to be 5. We have 3 5s there. 3 5s. 1 here, 2 here. Then 6. There are 2 6s there. So we have 6, 6, then 7, and 8. Finally, we have a 9. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have the 10 scores there. Now we have the number of scores here, or the number of students in this case, to be even. So meaning we are going to have two numbers in the middle. So we have the first 5 numbers and the last 5 numbers. We are going to have the last one here and the first one here to be in the middle. So we have 5 and 6 to be in the middle. Since we have two numbers in the middle, we shall add them, divide by 2. So we have 5 plus 6 divided by 2. That's 11 over 2. 11 over 2 is 5.5. So the median score here is 5.5. So we go for the modal score. The modal score again is the score with the highest frequency, the score that appears the highest number of times. So, and it's very obvious here. 5 appears 3 times, while 6 appears only twice. So the rest appear once. So we have 5 as the modal score of this distribution. That is the end of the second problem. And we go to the third problem. The third problem, the following are the height of 15 athletes in the school: 131 centimeters. The heights are in centimeters. So 131 centimeters, 129, and so on. So we have to create a frequency table for the data. This frequency table, since we are dealing with ungrouped data, so we start with the frequency table. We have 3 columns. The columns for X, tally, and the frequency. For now, the tally for X, the height, will be represented by the X, while the tally, the number of times each number appears, and the frequency, the number of times they appear. So they have this tally is very important. 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, and 131. So the smallest number 126, 127 up till 131. So we pick the first number here, which is 131. We mark it out accordingly. We pick the second number, 129. This is 129 here. We give the tally. 130. This is 130 here. 126. This is 126. 131. This is 131. 128. This is 128. 129. 129 here. 130, the next number. This is 130. 128. This is 128. 127. This is 127. 130. This is 130. 129. 129. 127. 127. 129. 129. And finally 128. We have 128. This is what? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 3 and 2. So we have created the frequency table for the data. Now from the table, find the mean, median and mode. So our mean, we have it as summation of fx over summation of f. We sum all the frequencies. We sum up the product of the height and the corresponding frequency. So creating another column of f of x. This is x, this is f. 126 multiplied by 1 gives 126. 127 multiplied by 2 will give us 2 times 7, 14, right? 4 carry 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, that gives 5. 2 times 1 gives 2. Now 3 times 8 gives 24. We write 4 carry 2. 2 times 3 here gives 6 plus 2, 8. And 3 times 1 gives 3. You can as well use calculator. So we are using our mental mathematics here. 4 times 9 gives 36. You write 6 carry 3. 4 times 2 gives 8 plus 3, 11. Write 1 carry 1. 4 times 1 gives 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 times 0 gives 0. And 3 times 3 gives 9. And 3 times 1 gives 3. So that's 390. 2 times 1 gives 2. 2 times 3 gives 6. 2 times 1 gives 2. So we sum up the numbers. First, we have the summation of f. So 1, 3, 6, 10, 13, and 15. So the sum of the frequencies is 15. This is 10, 14, 20, 22. You write 2 carry 2. This is 7, 15, 16, 15, 21 plus 2 gives 23 gives 3. This is 3, 6, 11, 14, 16, 17. That will give us 19. So we have 1932. We now substitute into the mean formula. So we have 1932 divided by 15. So this time around, we have it as 128.8. So the mean of the height is 128.8. Now we go to the median. To calculate the median, since the number of athletes is 15, so 15 divided by 2 gives 7.5. We round it up to the nearest whole number, that's giving us 8, which means since the number has been arranged in ascending order, so the 8 athletes will be in the middle. So the height of the 8 athletes will be the median of the distribution, since the median means middle. So We get that from the frequency by summing up the frequencies. So we have 1 plus 2 gives 3, 3 plus 3 gives 6, 6 plus 4 gives 10. So the 8th athlete will be within these 4, which corresponds to 129. So the median is 129. And also we now go for the mode. To get the mode, we look at the frequencies and find the highest frequency. The highest frequency here is 4, and it corresponds to height 129. Therefore the mode is 129. So at the end of this, we have done justice to the problem by finding the mean, median, and the mode, as well as creating the frequency table for the data. That brings the end of this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Ungrouped Resources. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.